guys, it's Tani. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see today, I'm looking a little bit different. I took my beautiful friend Sophia's request to do a video inspired by the place that I just went to for my Orpa's 80th birthday. I think I posted a picture on my Instagram. I'll see if I can get it up. So this was the photo I had posted, and she challenged me to make a look reflecting this beautiful place. What I did was I took inspiration from this photo, but I also took some inspiration from where we had lunch that day, which was on the water. So this is a photo of me and my cousin. So I can't see it that well. I'll also insert it here. But it just shows like the water, the sky and the land as well. So that's what I wanted to try and like interpret today. So yeah, if you would like to see me struggling to attempt this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I've done my eyebrows, I filled them in. And I've also primed my eyelids just using some concealer, and I have set that down in place with some powder. Today I think I'm mostly going to be using the James Charles X Morphe palette, and I might use a bit of the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop palette as well. But to be honest, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. So I'm thinking what I'll do is I want the eyes to symbolize the water, and I want them to be really, what's the word, like shiny and reflective, because in the photo like the sun was shining, it was reflecting off the water, so I do want to be a fair bit of shimmer as well. But I think I'd like to do a halo eye just so I can make the center of the eye here pop and be a lot more concentrated with the shimmer. What I'm going to do is start by taking this blue shade just here. I'll take it on a condensed blending brush like this one, and then I'm going to blend it out with this thicker one. I'm just going to start by pressing that into my eye area. And then also doing my inner corner. Just connect that up. Okay, so that's kind of the shape I want to go for. So I'm just going to take that fluffier brush and then just start to slowly and very lightly diffuse out the edges. I am going to start to deepen it up now. So what I will do is I might go into the Colourpop one and take the shade the Aquarius and just use that to deepen up the blue a little bit more. And I'll concentrate that a little bit more precisely as well. I want to try. Okay, and now just going back in with the big fluffy brush, I'm just going to diffuse those edges. And now just on a little bit more of a defined brush, I'm going to go in with the deepest blue here in the James Morphe palette and just do the same step, but right in the outer corner and right in the inner corner. And then in those exact same places, I'm going to take the black just to really deepen this up. I do want to make it quite deep through the crease there as well, because when I cut the halo, I want it to really stand out. And I mean, like, it's looking a little bit messy at the moment. I think when I might go in with some concealer now, and it might help the eye, like, bring it all together. So I am going to take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I forgot to turn my lights on. I'm going to turn them on now. Okay, so concealer brush. Okay, so I'll take a little bit, go straight in, look up. I'm going to bring that down. Okay, now I think I'm just gonna go straight in. I do have this really nice blue shimmer that I want to use. This is gonna be too blue. I'm gonna first take this light shimmery shade and then I'll go over the top with that other shimmer. Okay, now what I'm going to do is just slowly blend these edges together. Okay, actually I am happy with how that's looking. Although what I'm going to do now is take that Napoleon loose eye dust and just do that right in the center, I think. I actually think I'm happy with how the eyes are looking at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'll just jump off camera and do the other eye quickly and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've just done the other eye. As you can see, there's a lot of fallout underneath my eyes, which is why I wanted to do foundation after I did my eyes. So I'll go and clean that in a minute, but I'm just going to pop a layer of mascara on. So I'm going to use the Bad Girl Bang mascara by Benefit. So I'm just going to really coat my top and bottom lashes. I mean, just my top at the moment, sorry. Okay, so now that I've got my lashes on, I'm just going to, I'll go and do my foundation, like my base makeup off camera, and I will be right back. Okay, so I've just popped on some foundation and concealer. So now I'm just going to finish off the eyes. So I'm just going to jump back into the James Charles palette and taking that really small brush that we use for the dark blue and black, I'm just going to bring that down in the same way I did the top. So I'll do a bit on the outer third and inner third, and then on under the middle of my eye I'll just do a little bit of shimmer. And then going back in with that light blue shimmer shade in the palette. Now I am just going to pop a little bit of that mascara on my bottom lashes. Okay, so you could kind of just stop here, but in like the photo, in the photos, there is like beautiful blue sky, and then there is also like where we had lunch on the day, it was kind of just like a national park, so there was like nice green grass and trees. So I do want to kind of reflect that on my face as well, not just the water. So I think what I might do is do like the sky up on my forehead here, and then maybe the grass and trees like on this area of my face here. I don't really know how I want to do that, but I'm just going to jump straight in. I think I'm going to use a sponge to do this. So I might just try and like contour, but using like a blue shade. I don't know. Is this going to work, or is this going to ruin everything? I'll take that first blue shade that we used on the eyes. I've only got like a tiny little bit, but I just want to go little bit by little bit to start with. Might now go into like a darker blue. I might just leave the blue now, and I'm going to move on to the green. So to do the green, I'm going to still use the James Charles palette. I'm first going to go in with the super dark green here, and then I'll go in with the lighter green next to it, just to lighten it up and blend out the edges a little bit more. Now just using that lighter green. And now just to do that like contour line. For the green section, I'm just gonna go in. This isn't like a discontinued color, but it's just like a nice green shimmery shade. I'm just going to kind of just put that in some areas, just so it like gives a little bit of reflect. I'm wondering whether I add some little clouds in the sky. Yeah, we've come this far. Oh, I forgot to turn the aircon off. I'm so sorry. It's probably been going like, I knew I would forget. Hopefully it's like a lot more clearer and you can hear now. I am literally just gonna go straight in. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I kind of want to do something down here. Maybe I should do little brown dots for like the rocks that were on the edge there. Just always have to take it one step further. I kind of have lost patience now. I think I'm done. Actually no, I've got a few final touches I want to do. Of course I'm going to add some highlights. So just taking the Mecca Cosmetica and popping that on my cheekbones, nose, good bow. And now I do want to pop like a little bit of glitter on, I think. So I'm just going to take a little bit of glitter glue on my finger, pop that all around my like inner corner here, and then just taking some like BYS glitter. Oh my gosh. Yep, that went everywhere. Cool. Just popping that like so. Oh my gosh, glitter is literally everywhere. Okay, now I'm just going to line my lips with a nude lip liner. And then just taking a bit of the Marc Jacobs gloss in Sugar Sugar. Does that look weird? Story timer. Okay guys, so that is the final look. You know what, I actually am pleasantly surprised. I did not think I would be happy with the end result. I don't really know what I was doing down here, but I don't know. It gave it a little something different. I actually am really happy with how the eyes turned out. I think that's what I'm most happy about. I've never done a look like this before, so I am a little bit surprised that I was able to somewhat achieve what I had in my mind. But yeah, I'm actually super happy, and I mean, I'm glad that I've tried something different and that's out of my comfort zone a little bit more. And hopefully I can try a few more looks like this in the future. But yeah, if you have enjoyed watching today's video, please give it a like and subscribe if you would like to see more of my annoying face. Otherwise, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!